We have a property here at 1848.
I can't believe the snow is still out.
Good looking house. Looks good so far. Hey, how you doing, man? All right?
How are you?
All right, good. You work along with Nick? You spoke with Nick at NH Realty?
Yeah, you work with Nick?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is he coming too or just you?
No, he's in Canada. But this is my wife, Callie,
How you doing?
and I'm Rico Smith.
Okay.
Heard a lot about you, so
Okay, so he just sent you to come. No problem.
come check it out. He gave me a brief history on you. He said, you know, just go look at it for her. She don't play around. She means business. And she's very skeptical on who's coming to her house. So here we go. Thank you. And it's good to meet you as well. Rico Smith, been doing real estate over 15 years.
Okay.
My wife is an agent. She's a multi-million-dollar producer and been doing this a long
A
time.
good field to be teamwork in.
Yes, yes, yes,
Did you
yes.
do this renovation? Or you got someone to do it?
Oh,
I
wow.
got someone to do it, and I honestly, it's hard as a female because sometimes you get burned a lot.
That's true. You're going to go through a lot.
And so my son would help when he could. When he was here, he was a firefighter. Now he's a federal agent.
Okay.
And he had to move. And I was like,
Wow.
because people they don't respect me even though I can get really mean.
Hey,
Well,
look.
I understand.
Y'all too?
Y'all?
Y'all?
He said you're a little aggressive. I said it's called assertive.
yeah,
You have
because
to be assertive and
right,
be
because and then I'm genuinely nice, so they just think they
Take advantage of it.
and I'm green or whatever, 'cause
Yeah.
this really is not my field. It's just something that I like to do.
That's right.
Is this your first one you've done?
First and really only.
First and only.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
Yeah.
How long did it take you?
Now it was a lot better. I haven't cleaned up from when they moved out. I just
Okay.
had time. But
Wow,
there
yeah.
are spots in here that
Okay.
but I was saying it has so much potential that I really can't take there.
Yeah.
So I was like, somebody could easily put another bedroom. I just love that. I had to rent it for.
This look nice. Bathroom is good too. It's really, I mean, there's nothing need to be done to this house. I mean, it's just cosmetic work.
And you know, Memphis is
It's
number
open.
2
I'm coming. Okay.
for rentals.
Okay.
We have a lot of sections.
Oh, the lights on. You can